What's going on, everybody? Got a 2013 Lexus GS350. Today we're gonna replace the cabin air filter. Okay, so we're gonna come over here on the passenger side and open up the glove box. Go ahead and take everything out. Now we're gonna need to remove this tray right here, and all we gotta do is pull up on it, pull it out of the way. It's held in with these slots. Okay. Now we're gonna have to remove this door. These clips we just push down on them, and the door will come right off. Here, take this door off here, we'll push these clips in. This whole thing is going to come sliding down. Now this holder, we're going to reuse it. All we have to do is take the element out. Now on the filter, it should notate up, or airflow. On this one, it shows up as up. So on our new filter, we want the airflow going up. So the arrow is going up. Put this guy in here. Back into this. Okay. No problem. Come back over to the cabin. Alright, glove box. We'll just stick this guy back in here. Snap it in. Door back. Put this tray back in, the left side first. See what I'm doing. Then slide it down like that, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe and leave me a comment.